by the European Union. We, based on statement natin Chief of Staff kahapon, we have committed, of course, the Philippines have committed itself to cooperate, to collaborate with all agencies involved in the investigation.
Sir, sabi ni Alston, the military is in denial over the spate of killings.
Well, kaya nabanggit ko, I cannot comment on that right now. I cannot comment on that right now.
Alert status.
Well, right now, the Armed Forces of the Philippines has declared a heightened alert, meaning to say we are on red alert effective early this morning for the reason that on the 22nd, we will be commencerating as our people revolution.
So may threat ba?
Well, we have not received any threat, but traditionally kasi we alert natin, tinataas natin, just to make sure na prepared tayo just in case meron.
Wala kayang magkaroon ng mga bagong mga generals? No?
Wala, kaya nabanggit ko, we have no information that would say na may nangyayari gano'n. Everything's parang masasabi natin normal. Ano?
Bakit last year may info pa kayo?
Yes, we have information last year.
Okay, so si Alston was not convinced na purging yung most of the faith.
Well,
you
we
stand by
we cannot contest if that is his opinion. But definitely, we have documents to show. We have shown them documents that sa grupo ng NPA, they have been purging. And as a matter of fact, they have admitted. No? They have admitted before na meron silang purging. Kaya humingi sila ng paumanhin sa mga taong pinatay nila. And kaya nga sila nagkaroon ng parang classification. Nalaman nila na mali. That by itself is proof na sila nagkasagawa ng purging.
So are you stressing na sila din yung behind the recent extrajudicial killing?
Well, I'm not saying, base na rin doon sa report ng Task Force 26, may mga, based doon sa numbers na binigay ng karapatan, yung iba doon are not really extrajudicial killings, yung iba doon were killed during legitimate encounters. So, sasabi natin na hindi sa lahat.
Sir, how do you find this statement?
Well, I cannot comment on that. I cannot comment on that.
Assessment.
What I really cannot, what I really cannot comment on that would be the executive. It's beyond.